Welcome to English by Bruna.
Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some new words. Come along. Parties. The movies. Television. The theater. Ice cream. Wine. Tea. Hot dog. Hamburgers. Music. Mini conversation 1. Do you like the movies? No, I don't. Do you like the theater? No, I don't like the theater either. What do you like then? I love television. Mini conversation 2. I love parties. Do you? I do too, but I don't like to dance. Well, I don't either. Mini conversation 3. She likes tea. Does he? No, he doesn't like tea. He likes coffee. Oh, she does too. She likes tea and coffee. Mini conversation 4. What does your mother like? She likes wine. Does your mother also like wine? Yes, she does. Oh, great. Mini conversation 5. What does your father like? Well, he loves to fish. And does your mother like to fish? No, she doesn't. That's a shame. Let's learn some new words. Beer. Fruit. Meat. Coffee. Fish. Cake. Money. The beach. The city. Now you answer. Do you like cake? Do you like coffee? Do you like the beach? Leave your answers in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to the channel, like, and share. See you in the next class. Bye.
See you in the next class on English by Bruna.